Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Liunx 2025.2 Purple Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Kali Liunx official website and download. Kali.org is the official website. Then click on Get Kali or Download, both are same. And also see here, Kali Liunx is an open source Debian based Linux distribution geared towards various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics and reverse engineering. Click on Get Kali. Then scroll down. See here we have the purple edition. Just click on this download for direct link, and if you want download by using torrent you have to click on it. I am going to download by direct method. Click on it. See download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is about 4.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one. See here, because I have already downloaded Kali Liunx Purple Edition ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel or go through this video description and install VirtualBox. Now click on New or Machine and select New to create the virtual machine. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Kali, P means Purple 2025 to VMware. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to download. See here we have the ISO image. Select it. See, once you select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Ubuntu. But Kali is Debian based operating system, so select subtype as Debian, then 64-bit. Okay. Then go to hardware. By default memory selected as 2 gigabytes and number of CPU cores 1. I want to increase it to 4 gigabytes of memory. Number of CPU cores 2. Hard disk I want to give 50 gigabytes. These are all based on availability. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on settings or right click on settings or go to machine and select settings. Settings, all three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the Kali Liunx 2025.2 Purple Edition on VirtualBox. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select location from this list. If you are unable to find your location, click on other. Okay, I am going to select United States. Keyboard map, I am going with American English. Click on continue. Now we have to provide the host name. Later also you can change this host name or computer name. Then click on continue. If you have domain name, you can provide, otherwise keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to create our setup user. This is the user full name. Continue. This is the username. Now we have to set the password for this user. Now we have to select time zone. See here all time zones are based on US because we have selected location as United States. That's why it is showing these time zones. Okay, if you want to change, you have to go back and you can change the location. I'm okay with this one. Click on continue. Partition is I am going with guided, use entire disk and continue. Select the device and continue. All in one partition is continue. If you want to undo changes, you have to select the first one. I am okay with the partitioning, so select finish partitioning and write changes to disk. This is confirmation, write changes to disks and continue. Software selections. See, the Kali Linux default desktop environment is XFCE. But if you want Genome or KDE Plasma, you can select. I am going with the default, so click on continue. See, now installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. You will resume whenever manual inputs are required. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, go to virtual machine, right click on it. Then see here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on it and select this remove disk from the virtual drive. Then come to virtual machine and click on continue to reboot. Now provide the username that you have created. Hit enter. Double click on it to maximize the full screen. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size. Go to preferences. Change font. Click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK. See, font has been increased. Also, if you go to applications, see here we have the same applications like normal Kali Linux 2025.2. Verify the version. mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 129 packages and uninstalling one package. It is the dependency. Okay. So type A for confirmation and hit enter. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.2 Purple Edition on VirtualBox. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.